So when we were doing it earlier, I'm strengthening your brain to your heart to your brain, your heart to other organs, and then back to the brain. Okay, so you're constantly making these triads within your fitness system so that they continue to run strong. So if you were an engineer at a water plant, okay, you would have 1,000 gauges telling you all these legs are strong, or where there's a weakness because it's not pumping right, okay? And if you saw one of those gauges that was falling off, all right, you would fix the problem, you would strengthen the weakness.
Correct.
However, that would be done in a water plant, which is a shit example because I don't know how I'd fix it. But with each of those
Make it a
legs,
sink.
okay, all right, with the water and the return, all right, and then those have little triangles. When they're strong, then that part of the system works strong with this part of the system in the water system, okay, until the whole water system is working at 100% or more. It's the same concept. I mean, to wrap it around your head. But your brain does that quick.
Yeah, it does.
And throughout the course of the day, if something were to pop up that you had a question with, you need the correct answer. And you can immediately get rid of whatever the problem is. And you would do the same thing. You would just put your intention in, go find out where it is. You would strengthen that. You would delete out what the weakness is, and boom, done. Faster than picking up a piece of garbage in the hallway and throwing it out. Overall, how do you feel? Same or different?
Different.
You are making progress. Anytime you feel different, you're making progress. Anytime you feel the same, you just have not found the weakness. So you would go back and look for the weakness. And you would strengthen that weakness, and you would come back to that point. You was same or different. So you're always making comparisons. All right, you comparison one leg to the other and make your triangle, and when you're done, you're making the comparison same or different. If you have different, you're making progress. If you have same, you go back and you fix that problem. But either way, it's like nanoseconds. Those are cool. All with your intention on your midlife. Congrats.
Thank you. It helped me understand it much better.
You are very welcome.